In this video, I will discuss the proper procedure of administering PRN medication. PRN medication, also called as needed medications, or medication are given only when necessarily. In administering PRN, you have to check the mark sheet and also check the physician's order or doctor's order. Ensure that the specific medication, the dose, the frequency, the route, and the condition that the condition of why is it prescribed for, and confirm the medication has not exceeded the allowable frequency or dose limit. Assessing the individual condition, evaluate whether the patient's symptoms matches the indication of the PRN medication. Check for any contradictory or previous adverse reaction. Assess vital signs if required, and verify the follow the 7 rights of medication: right patient, right medication, right dose, right route, right time, right documentation, and right technique. Document before and after the administration of the PRN. Record the time, the dose, and the reason why you administered the PRN, and evaluate and document the individual response to that medication. Monitor the side effects or the effects. Observe for both the therapeutic effects or the possible adverse reaction of the medication. If the medication is not relieving symptoms, notify the physicians or for further instructions. And special consideration in administering PRN is always explain to the individual why educate the individual why are you giving the PRN, and why you are giving the PRN, and if any pain or symptoms reassessment, always follow up to see if the medication has effect, and document accuracy. It's that important. Clear and precise documentation prevent medication error.